Hello kids, today we're going to learn how to compare fractions with the same numerators. Now numerators are the numbers on top. This one has a numerator of 3 and this one also has a numerator of 3. Now let's look at this fraction first, 3/5. Now a denominator of 5 means that this whole, if I want 3/5 of this whole is cut into 5 equal parts and it's going to look something like this. One whole is cut into 5 equal parts. And the numerator tells us how many pieces we are looking at. 3 pieces of fifths. So I'm going to leave only 3 pieces here. Yes? And now let's look at the next fraction. 3/8 of one whole. If this is one whole, I'm going to cut this whole into 8 equal parts, which will look something like this. Yep. And the numerator tells us how many pieces we are looking at, which is just 3 pieces. 3/8. Now the numerator tells us how many pieces or how many parts we are looking at. So we only need to compare, if we want to know which is greater, we just need to compare the size of one of these because we are comparing 3 with 3. If one of it is bigger, then we can say that 3 pieces will be bigger than these 3 pieces. So effectively I'm just comparing the size of fifths and eighths. So now why are fifths bigger than eighths? Let's write down the reasoning here. So when the whole is cut into, this is 5 parts, this is 8 parts, so less parts, then each part is bigger. So 3 pieces of fifths, because fifths are bigger than 8, so 3 pieces of fifths will definitely be bigger than 3 pieces of eighths. You understand?